Hello guys, so this is what I do when I'm going to go up and reach the guy that I wanted to see, and I wanted to ask. This is for my roosters because I am planning to make another bunch of rooster houses, my friend. So I need to see this guy to ask some kind of materials that I needed to do on my rooster house and to keep my rooster safe. Come on, let's go. Come out with me, and then I will share you some reality, no uncut, direct vlogging, and let's do this. Good day, my friend. Here we go in the forest area. So this is not a typical type that you can see because it makes I step away from my roosters. So I just check, my friend, on that part. I just check because I want to get some kind of bamboo for my fence and my chickens. I want to make another roosters houses. So we are in the wildlife, my friend. Wildlife. So trees, bamboos. But this place is a kind of far. It took me like 25 minutes to get to the target person to his place. So this is a mountainy area. So I always do this. I always visit my friend from this, from this area. So I will share something about experiencing being here always. I almost oftenly come here whenever I have time because that guy gives me something to small plants to bring out my little backyard to plant them, and the seeds they always give me, and that's very important to my little backyard to have my own plantery area. So that guy is alone. He is alone in his area, and the area has no electricity, and it's kind of sad. Every day he always do planting, cleaning the area like this. In his place he clean it up and then plant something to eat. That's the thing that makes him survive, and at the same time he guard, he watch the area. So for example, the owner of this one contacted him to take a look of his land to take care of. So he is a caretaker of the land. So that's the thing, one of the things that because he has a salary on it, taking care, watching his land. So because it has trees, it has trees, yeah, he guard it. So like a kind of three kinds of land he's guarding. So that's the one that makes him he has salary on it, and plus he plants. So as you can see, little river, it's the river. So this river, my friend, is when hard rain comes, all of the water from the mountain, the rains, centralize to flow here. So that's why you can see the walls recrap is so high because when we have typhoon here, the thing that I walk is almost here. The water level is very high here because all of the mountains, all the water there flows here. So let's go. I'm a kind of fast talking now because I'm gonna be late going home because my friend took a lot of talks. He talk a lot. He questions me a lot, doing something, making vlog, because he wants to be a blogger too. So I teach how to do this, how to do that, how to make videos, what are the do's and don'ts on the YouTube. So there are also houses here, but it's a bit near compared to my friend's place. That one is so remote. there is spring there, and a fish. And I was there. I watched so many fish. Yeah, I used to bring my son here when I go down to that. And I used to ride a motorcycle down there and go to his place. But it's a kind of very so many big rocks, a little bit dangerous on riding. So here it is, the place. No, the mountainy area. It's kind of remote. And then sometimes I bring kinds of vegetables like taro leaves, taro leaves, papaya, kinds of fresh vegetables, jackfruit, fruits, cacao, so many here, so many cacao. And this river, they also plant here, and when the flood comes, they instantly harvest them, because it will be swept away by the big flow of water. So whenever the weather is good, they started planting. And then when it's getting bad, like there's coming typhoon, they saw it on the news, they will hurriedly harvest it, because it will be taken away by flood. You see this place? Yeah. They plant it. There's a guy starting planting. Where's the guy? They started planting. But last night, it rains hard. Overnight rain. So, this is me. I used to share types of videos. It is also related on my rooster breeding, because that guy provides me the equipment or the tools how to make a chicken roaster houses. So if you are watching my mga latest video, some of it are also about chicken rooster, making chicken roasters, the information, the size, the height, everything, and the materials that I use mostly comes from here. So whenever I will just ask him, you my friend, you cut this one, I will pay you, or I will bring you something in return. So he will cut the size, this ganon, and how many, and then I will carry it from his place to my bike. That way too long. This is spring, my friend. I'll show you the spring. See the spring from the mountain. The one. See? There's a spring. So sometimes, my friend, the river is so clean. You can swim there. A lot of kids used to swim there, especially during summer. They swim, and then after they swim, they come up, and then they used to take a bath there. That spring water from the mountain. They improvise, and then they put bamboo, and then the flowing water is good. You can take a bath there to clean up yourself and everything. Others used to laundry in that place. So this one, it's just a sharing. There's a lot of experiences here, because this place is still so wide. Sometimes when I walk here, I see kind of Komodo dragon, on the water. They cannot go back to the forest, and there are also so many wilds here, like the birds. There's a lot of wild birds here, and then wild cibet, snakes. But when I come here, I used to look for cacao fruit. That was so good. We love cacao fruit. So there's so many things here that might be useful for us. And the vegetables, the fresh vegetables that they pick there, and he gave it to me. Sometimes he go to my house to check my area. But Sinlamli, he cannot let go of his house. He should always stay because the land that he used to guard must be always present because there are kind of people that come over in his place and took something that they didn't know, like was a thief like that, and then he need to guard it. He needs to guard it. Oh, it's just a little walk for me. Ay, little walk and a little walk. And okay, just be watchful on your steps on this area because there are wilds here like snakes. You must be an extra careful. So I had to go because there's maybe that place is where my bike is, and I cannot vlog during riding because I have to reach out mountains. The roads is very high, so this is a simple sharing, my friend. Don't know if it takes you but this is what I mean. And there's a lot of things boring sharing, boring sharing and anything else. Yes. So I still asking you to give thanks. Thank you for all your for watching. Thank you. I have to go and watch my roosters there, and then I need to buy something for my family to have their lunch. Maybe I will buy fish, vegetables, or anything that is might be good on our meal here. Time check is almost 11 or 12, so I am in a hurry. You can notice I'm so hurry walking because maybe my wife is looking for me because I just sneak out and go to my friend. Thank you for all your supports to my channels and watching this video. This is a simple only simple outdoors traveling, showing you the area, showing you what I do as a backyard builder, showing you what's the purpose of this, showing you this is for my roosters. I need to check if there's any valuable materials that I can ask and I can give to my friend to I can have to that friend. So he provides me materials if they are plenty of available. Thank you guys for watching, and then hopefully all you are there are in good shape. Thank you and God bless.